Today, we are going to experience how AI is transforming the entire value chain of insurance carriers. AI isn't just shaping the industry, it is creating unprecedented opportunities for deeper customer connections and redefining how humans and agents drive customer success together. We will deep dive into the cutting edge AI solution built to empower this transformation. Let's explore how this vision is revolutionizing the future of insurance. Our product vision is to drive meaningful bottom line impact for our clients by transforming insurance business processes with AI agents that are grounded in your data and policies. We focus on assisting, augmenting, and automating insurance workflows to enhance efficiency and accuracy. Our AI solutions cater to a wide range of insurance personas, agents, brokers, service reps, underwriters, claim adjudicators, and policyholders, providing end-to-end support. Most importantly, we prioritize safety, reliability, and compliance, ensuring every solution is trusted and aligned with our policies. By scaling these processes, we aim to deliver impactful, transformative results across the financial services industry. In today's fast evolving landscape, new distribution channels are emerging, driven by IRDAI's new regulation for corporate agency tie-ups and the rise of digital channels, e-commerce platforms, and online ecosystem. On the AI front, generative AI is reshaping industries, and organizations must define or refine their AI strategies to or risk falling behind competitors. By 2025, over 50% of user interactions will be augmented by AI. At the same time, companies are faced with massive volume of data from various sources, be it your digital properties, your mobile applications, your offline activities, so on and so forth, which need to be cleaned and activated for better decision making. Data privacy and security compliances have become crucial, with zero trust security gaining prominence due to increased customer data capture and evolution of global regulations. Lastly, companies must optimize their IT systems in response to macroeconomic uncertainty, focusing on automations, data unification, and scalability. But there are certain challenges in insurance industry when it comes to relate the growth. So insurance penetration is still low, especially in rural areas, with many are unaware of the benefits of different insurance products. Persistency remains a challenge as many customers don't renew policies. Claim settlement issues with delays and complexities often lead to dissatisfaction and mistrust. Additionally, product complexities deters consumers from purchasing policies. Despite the growing need for health insurance, many remain uninsured or underinsured. Fraud and misinterpretation also drive up operational costs and premiums. Finally, intense competition in the industry leads to aggressive pricing, which can hurt profitability. Let's explore how Salesforce, with its latest AI innovations launched at Dreamforce, can transform and overcome all these challenges and help all the insurance carriers drive efficiency, agility, and automation that they need. So at Salesforce, we have been driving all the waves of AI in our CRM, starting with predictive AI, processing 2 trillion predictions every day, to the second wave where we develop proprietary LLMs like CodeGen, which helps developers to complete the code, SGen LLMs, and other LLMs, which are completely embedded in the flow of work of sales and service CRM to drive efficiency. And now we are in the third wave, where AI is not just working for us, but alongside us as an extension of our team. Autonomous technology is all around us, like Waymo's driverless cars taking us to work, or platform like Wiley and OpenTable enhancing our experiences. Today, many organizations face manual processes, fragmented experiences, and outdated data, with 40% of time lost to low-value repetitive tasks. But tomorrow looks different, with hyper-personalization, predictive responses, agent assistance, and instant issue resolution transforming customer interactions. By 2025, we expect 76% of companies to have internal facing generative AI capabilities, enabling humans and AI to work together, driving customer success like never before. And Salesforce is here to make that future a reality. We understand and in fact have come across many traditional bots which are excelled at automating repetitive tasks by following fixed rules, but they were rigid, right? We all know they were rigid. They cannot handle a lot of complex issues. So Copilot changed the game by offering intelligent, tailored assistance. Now Agentforce takes it even further. It doesn't just assist, it takes actions. It understands your customers and your business, can create plans, reason, and act at a scale. This empowers your employees and helps meet customer expectations more effectively than ever. So now we are introducing Agentforce for Insurance, powered by Salesforce platform, leveraging applications, low-code, no-code capabilities, and data cloud capabilities such as zero copy and RAG. It is designed to transform every insurance carrier's operations. While each carrier starts their AI journey from a different point, one thing is clear. The data, be it structured or unstructured, are at the core of this transformation. Agentforce seamlessly integrates agents across applications tailored for your businesses. Built on Data Cloud and our metadata platform, it ensures real-time data enhances every layer of your operation. The brain of it is the Atlas reasoning engine, which reasons over your data and processes, generates a plan, evaluates it, refines it, and pulls it in the right direction to take actions across Customer 360, whether automating marketing, engaging sales prospects, or updating service cases. The more you use Atlas, the smarter it gets. Thanks to reinforcement learning from Customer 360 outcomes, Agentforce boosts the skills of RMs, distributors, underwriters, service agents, and more, driving productivity, revenue, and exceptional customer experience. With real-time data and Salesforce trust layer ensuring security and compliance, Agentforce empowers your business to scale and meet tomorrow's demand today. So how do we touch base all the business operation or value chain of insurance? Salesforce AI is transforming it by enhancing experiences at every touch point. For sales and distributors, the goal is to grow business with intelligent assistant through virtual sales agents, intelligent nudges, product recommendations, automated emails, and so on and so forth. Underwriters can now evaluate and approve new business faster with AI-driven document processing, quote scoring, fraud detection, and task automation. Service reps resolves issue quickly with intelligent case intake, end-to-end email automation, and next best actions, improving first-time resolutions and reducing handling time, thus improving the revenue. Claims processing becomes faster and more accurate with AI-powered claim intake, fraud detection, risk assessment, and auto adjudication. For customers, interactions are now easy and relevant through AI bots, omnichannel support, voice bots, and next best suggestions. From humans in the loop to no humans in the loop, AI improves efficiency, productivity, revenue, CSAT, and NPS across the board, revolutionizing the insurance experience. Now let us experience the magic of Agentforce in action. For this, we'll take a persona of Ketan, who is the RM with insurance carrier. He is very enthusiastic, loves to use AI to get his tasks done. I'm logged in as Ketan, who is looking at his dashboard and is planning for his meeting for the next day. He wants to look at the data of the branch performance, but for this, he earlier used to get to different systems to fetch the performance. But now with Agentforce is right embedded on his dashboard, on his flow of work, he can get this information quickly. He just initiates this conversation with the assistant and said, I am visiting my branch tomorrow. Help me prepare for that. The moment Ketan asks this query to the agent, it understands the context, it knows what data needs to be filled, and the agent knows there was no name which was provided in the prompt. So it is already suggesting what branches he should be asking for because these are the branches which are mapped to him. He selects Electronic City branch. Now the agent has a context, pulls in the right information, gathers it, and present it to Ketan in such a format that he understands how the branch is performing. Not only this, but compares the performance of the branch across his branches and the region in which he is operating in and suggests what are the next actions which he can take on the branch to improve his business growth. Now let us see what response he gets. See, so what he gets, he completely understand now what is the business per employee for this branch, what is the market share, what is the overall policies which are sold, what is the competitive score as well, and what is the underwriting rejection rate, which highlights whether there's any lapse in the document collection or not. It also provides the comparative view across the branches and suggests next best actions as well, which he can take to improve his time at the branch. Now let's switch gears and he wants to have a connect with his dealer, but this time he wants to be very specific. He wants to know what product target segment he should be talking about with this dealer so that they can improve the penetration of a product which they've just launched from and get more revenue. What target product segment should be for channel Jai Hind Motors? AI is churning the data and again is collating the response which he is looking at. So imagine the efficiency. Earlier, he used to get into multiple systems to fetch this information, but now this information is available to him right on his dashboard, which is also available on his mobile, and he can just plan his day out and activities better. Not only this, he can also use this assistant to draft emails so that the consistency can be brought in the communications which are going out from insurance carrier standpoint, thus boosting the partnership with those channels and increasing the revenue. So you understand it gives you the product mix as well, that which particular product has higher penetration via this dealer and what should be the target segment for this dealer and what should be the customer segment as well. And it also automatically recommends, do you want this summary as an email as well to this dealer? If he just selects this option, the agent now will also draft an email which can be automatically sent via the marketing communication channel to this dealer, thus makes the overall engagement much more informed and efficient. So this is the email which has been written now. Now, I am assume in front of a customer and I want to assess a prospect, who's inquiring about the health insurance. I can invoke Agentforce to help me doing that quickly. Please assess a lead for me. The Agentforce understands the context. It certainly needs some information before it can actually perform this action. And it automatically suggests certain options to automate this process. I can also fill in the data, or I can just go ahead and choose the options which is automatically being suggested. And let's see the output which is been given by the agent. You see, it recommends what should be the why Jane Smith is relevant for health insurance, what are the top qualified products, and also suggesting, can I create a lead for Jane Smith in the system? So this is how Agentforce can automate a lot of actions which are typically repetitive in nature and also brings in consistency and data at play in every flow of work. Now let us switch to a different persona and see how Agentforce can help the claim adjudicator in reviewing the images and help in automating the initial loss assessment. So let's look at the Surbhi, who is a claim adjudicator, how the work that Surbhi has to do in terms of identifying the images and preparing the loss assessment much more intelligent and efficient. I'm right now logged in as Surbhi, who is a claim adjudicator. We see that she's working on a claim for auto insurance policy, wherein she now has to prepare the initial loss assessment after the survey has been done. We understand she can always choose from the claim job items, but she also received certain images from his surveyor. We see there is no job item which has been selected and she has to choose it. But how she can do it intelligently? This is where AI is coming into play, wherein the unstructured data is getting processed and it is getting identified what are the damaged parts. So she uploads the image of the vehicle she got from his surveyor. And once it is uploaded in Data Cloud from Salesforce, it will be chunked and processed, and it will help in identifying what are the damages which are there on the vehicle and and automate the entire loss assessment preparation. So this is where all the actions at the back are happening automatically. And it is done. So once the image is processed, let me give it a quick refresh. You see, the job items have already been created along with the list price from the database that is maintained at the insurance carrier side. It has successfully identified that the entire damage of the vehicle was on the front bumper, the headlight was broken, so on and so forth. Now, see the efficiency which has brought into the process. Now, what she needs to do, she can just generate the job sheet for the workshop and share it with the workshop so that the repair work can be started. And this also helps her in parking a particular amount for this particular claim from processing perspective as well. Not only this, she also has an option of understanding the job items from the job sheet prepared by the workshop as well, instead of using images. So all the options are available to her at her disposal to make this process much more intelligent by utilizing the capabilities of Data Cloud in the form of RAG and Salesforce AI to make this job much more meaningful.